Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, we're going to do another fake donut, and as if by magic I have a fake donut I've made before. Now the topper on this one, I'm going to use these, which are a very good question. These are called glass beads, but they're not actually glass, they're plastic. Now I've used these on other tutorials. Now to me they look like sugar. So I'm going to use these and sprinkle these all the way around here. And then I'm going to put on some chocolates on the top, just like that, and stick it on. So that's the theme of this particular one. So without further ado, let me show you how we do that. I'm going to liberally put my PVA or school glue on all the way around the top of this particular luxury donut, and I will show you. So these are really easy. This one's a really easy one to make, really quick, he says. And yes, okay, right. So I'm going to open my packet, as you do. Now this might all go everywhere. I should really have a piece of paper underneath it, but I'm going to do it anyway. And all you do is literally just sprinkle those on. And I'm not going to put them all the way around because, like I said before, I'm going to put the chocolates on as well. Okay, so let me just pick those ones off that's fallen. And yeah, I suppose it does look like sugar. I mean, it's quite big pieces, but we'll go with it. It's crystallized sugar or whatever. But yeah, I quite like it. It's going to catch the light and it looks rather funky. It would be good on a, I don't know, if you're doing a princess or something and wanted to do a sparkly number, you could use these, I suppose. Okay, so that's enough of those. Now what I need to do is get my chocolates, and all this is, this was, or what, if I can get it back, this is clay that I had over, air dry clay, and I just rolled it into a ball, and I thought I'll keep it because I might need it at a later date. And then I painted it with a chocolate colour, and yes, all is good. So there you go. So yeah, like there, some of the paint's come off, but don't worry about that. We're just going to stick that bad bit, not bad bit, the bit you don't want to see, that side. And if there is too many, I can always quickly repaint them. So I'm just sticking on UPVA glue. Now that should be enough. Now there you go, guys. So that one's done already, see? Absolutely marvellous. How quick was that? And that's it. So that's a sugary topping, crystallized topping with 3 chocolates on the top. And doesn't that look marvellous? So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And guess what? I'm going to stick that back on. And that fell off because it's still wet. So don't worry about that when you do it. You just put it to one side and it will be fine. But there you go. We're all organic here and it's all warts and all. So you get to see it when it goes wrong and right. Okay, anyway, I'm going to go now. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.